Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a little Neverfull pochette for you today, and it's in the gorgeous damier ebene coated canvas, which is one of my favourites. So we've just got this one little removable clip on this leather strap here, and then we've got a zip top closure, so I'll just show you that zip still works beautifully. And then inside we've got that great kind of bright red pinstripe lining, and then we've just got one flat pocket here, and then the date code for this bag, for this little pochette, is inside that pocket, so you can see where that little leather tab is. So that is where the date code is for this little pochette. The condition of this one is in a beautiful condition. We've called the exterior very, very good. It's pretty much excellent, but we're being really, really picky. Just on this little leather tab just here, there is the tiniest little dent, little indent mark on that leather. It's so small that you probably won't even be able to see it on the camera, but there's just a really tiny little mark there. But other than that, is in a perfect condition on that exterior. The interior is excellent. There is no signs of wear at all. It is pristine in there, absolutely perfect. And then the hardware we've called very good. There is just a little bit of wear. There's a couple of little small scratches, little nicks on that hardware, but again, in a really lovely condition. So a lovely little pochette in a beautiful condition. It just comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and if you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop this exact pochette on our website, so armcandybagco.com, and you'll find a few more details on it. Usually that link will take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and you click it and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto, so if you are interested in one of these and you've missed out on it this time, all you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form, which you'll find on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list, and as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and you can pop that just under your arm as a little clutch like that, and it's super slim, super lightweight, so you can just pop all your essentials in it, and just carry it around really easily with you all day. This little strap usually is clipped on where it would have been in the Neverfull, just clips on that little loop there, but I actually think it looks quite nice if you just pop it through. You can see it's got that little slot at the end, so if you pop it through that loop and then slot this clip through there, so I'll just show you that there, so that just slides through like that, and then if you wanted to, you've actually got a really nice little wristlet strap, and you can use that as a little clutch like that, which also looks really gorgeous. And again, it is really slim and lightweight, so if you even wanted to just pop your essentials in there and pop it inside your regular everyday handbag, you can do that too. So a gorgeous, versatile little pochette. If you are interested, again, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and we can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're on there, so if you're interested in selling any of your bags, any of your beautiful Armcandy, we would love to see. So have a read through there, have a read through that process. Don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and we'll see you very soon with some more beautiful Armcandy.